afternoon and Assalamu alaikum students. Can you hear me, beta? Good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum everybody. Can you hear me, class 10? Walaikum salam. Fawzia, can you hear me, beta? Okay, let me check my sound settings. Now, is it okay, class 10? Can you hear me, beta? Okay, okay. Okay, let's start the lecture. Obviously, you all know we are in English language week nowadays, and this ongoing week is our English language week. And today we are going to have our lecture number 42, and date is 24th of September 2020. As you all know that we are done with tenses, all 12 tenses, their structures, their translations, their Urdu identifications. We are done with them. Okay, and we have done voices, we have done narrations, interrogative, assertive. One thing that I have been noticing while checking your copies that you people are still confused in changing narrations of interrogative sentences. And even the group which was present today, I asked them as well. Inshallah, now I will repeat narrations interrogative on coming week, in coming week, or on the board. In the physical class, we will repeat the exercise of interrogative narrations, inshallah, once again. So let's move towards today's lecture. We are going to have what? In language, what I have decided for today. Today your lecture is about active and passive voice with modal verbs. Okay? एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस विद मॉडर्न वर्ब्स को आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एंड वी विल लर्न इंशाल्लाह इन टुडेज क्लास हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू चेंज an active into passive voice by using modal verbs. Okay, words shown below are known as modal verbs in English grammar, and here in front of you is the list of modal verbs. What are the modal verbs? Can, could, may, might, will, would, must, shall, should, or ought to. Okay, so these are all the modal verbs, and these modal verbs are very important in the structure of any sentence or in a formation of any sentence to provide a kind of complete meaning to a sentence or provide a support to complete the meaning of any sentence. ठीक है, ये जो मॉडल वर्ब्स हैं ये किसी भी सेंटेंस के स्ट्रक्चर के लिए, फॉर्मेशन के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज दीज मॉडल वर्ब्स बेसिकली हेल्प टू कंप्लीट द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट गिवन सेंटेंस. ठीक है, अगर ये मॉडल वर्ब्स हम लोग सेंटेंसेस में यूज ना करें तो शायद वी कैन नेवर गेट द कंप्लीट मीनिंग ऑफ एनी सेंटेंस. अच्छा, नाउ active and passive voice with modal verbs. Active and passive voice with modal verbs. Okay. Let's see how to make passive voice of the sentences which have modal verbs in it. Okay, here is in front of your screens, there is a structure of the sentence containing a modal verb, active voice, and structure of the sentence of modal verb, passive voice. Okay? Today, inshallah, we are going, Walaikum Salam, Aisha Beta. Today, we are going to learn about change of active into passive voice of the sentences containing modal verbs. Okay. Let's see how to make passive voice of the sentences which have modal verbs. Normal structure of sentence in active voice with modals in it is, now in front of us is a normal structure of active voice containing modal verb is subject, modal verb plus main verb and object. Now see, in front of us, the structure of active voice of modal verb has two verbs. One is modal verb and second one is main verb. That is why see the structure: subject, modal verb, main verb and object. As for example, she can cook the food. She is subject, can is modal verb, cook is main verb, and the food is object. The food is object. This is the example of modal verb active voice. Okay. Here, she is subject, cook is verb, and the food is object. But what is can? Can is modal verb. While changing the sentences into passive voice, this structure becomes subject, modal verb, BEB, third form of verb, by, agent. ठीक है? अच्छा. Now in front of us we have a structure of passive voice of modal verb. When we change an active into passive voice, the structure will become like this: subject, modal verb, BEB, third form of verb, by and agent. Now see the example. The example of modal verb sentence active voice was, she can cook the food. Now the example of changing active into passive voice of modal verb is subject, the food. Can, as it is can. BEB, and third form of verb, cooked by her. ठीक है? अच्छा, यहाँ मैं आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि यही मिस्टेक आप लोग करते हैं नरेशंस में और वॉइसेस में. बेटा मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं कि जब हम लोग नरेशंस को डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करते हैं तो कैन किस में चेंज हो जाता है? कुड में. लेकिन इन एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस देयर इज नो चेंज ऑफ टेंसेस, देयर इज नो चेंज ऑफ tenses, and there is no transformation of tenses. In active passive voice, there is no change or no transformation of tenses. हाँ, अगर आप narrations की बात करेंगे तो narrations में transformation, conversion of one tense into another tense happens. It happens. But in voices, we do not do this. Okay, in voices, we cannot change one tense into another tense. जैसे कि अगर यही कैन हमारे पास नरेशंस में होता तो डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में जाते हुए हम कैन को कुड में चेंज कर देते. लेकिन वॉइसेस में क्या होता है कि कैन अपनी जगह पे ही रहेगा, उसके साथ एक एडिशनल वर्ड ऐड हो जाएगा BEB. ठीक है? द फूड कैन बी कुक्ड बाय हर. अच्छा जी, देखिए हियर the food becomes subject in passive voice, cooked is third form of verb, and her is the agent यानी कि doer of the action. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बताइए, is it clear till here? Is it clear till here? Should we move forward? Okay, बहुत easy है, बहुत simple है, पहले भी कर चुके हुए हैं. सिर्फ आपने डिफरेंस ये याद रखना है कि देयर इज अ बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन नरेशंस एंड वॉइसेस इज कि इन नरेशंस वी आर सपोज्ड टू चेंज और ट्रांसफॉर्म वन टेंस इनटू एन अदर टेंस, बट इन वॉइसेस we do not change one tense into another tense. ठीक है? This is the basic difference that you are supposed to keep it in your mind. Okay, let's move forward. Now, active passive voice with modal verbs. Examples are in front of you. These are all the modal verbs. For example, must, can, should, could, may, might, have to. These are all the modal verbs. अब देखिए, I must clean the house. I must clean the house. अब हमारे पास I is subject, must is modal verb, clean is main verb, and the house is the object. Now, when I will change this into passive voice, the structure will become like this. The house must be cleaned by me. यहाँ पे by me add नहीं हुआ हुआ, लेकिन हमने करना है, हमने doer of the action को mention यहाँ पे करना है. The house must be cleaned by me. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब आप देखिए कि मस्ट को मैंने किसी और चीज में चेंज नहीं किया. एज इट इज मस्ट को मैंने पैसिव वॉइस में भी मस्ट ही रखा है. हाँ, आफ्टर राइटिंग मस्ट आई हैव एडेड one additional word in the form of be. This is the structure of modal verbs passive voice. Okay, now another word is can. I can clean the house. In this sentence, I is subject, can is modal verb, clean is main verb, and the house is object. The house is object. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब जब मैं इसको चेंज करूंगी तो it will become like this. The house can be cleaned by me. The house can be cleaned by me. अब आप देखिए can को मैंने किसी सूरत कोड में चेंज नहीं किया है. हाँ, अगर हम लोग नरेशंस कर रहे होते तो we were supposed to change can into could. But in voices, we can never change or transform one tense into another tense. The modal verb will remain same. The house can be cleaned by me. Okay, now third example is should. I should clean the house. The house should be cleaned by me. बहुत इजी है, बहुत आसान है. आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. अच्छा जी, नेक्स्ट वन इज कुड. आई कुड क्लीन द हाउस. आई इज सब्जेक्ट, कुड इज modal verb, clean is main verb, and the house is object. So the house could be cleaned by me. सारे रूल्स एग्जैक्टली फॉलो हो रहे हैं. सब्जेक्ट इज टेकिंग प्लेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज टेकिंग प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. हेल्पिंग एजेंट बी बाय इज वी आर यूजिंग इट, एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब वी आर यूजिंग इन वॉइसेस. सब चीजें अपनी जगह पे मौजूद हैं, सिवाय इसके कि we have not changed, we will not change modal verb into another tense. हाँ, modal verb अपनी जगह पे रहेगा, उसके साथ एक हेल्पिंग एजेंट बी की शक्ल में ऐड हो जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर बेटा? इज इट क्लियर क्लास 10? क्लास 10 इज इट क्लियर? बेटा आप लोग मुझे रिस्पॉन्स देंगे तो मुझे समझ में आएगा कि आप बात सुन रहे हैं. ओके ओके, अच्छा जी, मूविंग नेक्स्ट. मे. I may clean the house. I is subject, may is modal verb, clean is main verb, and the house is object. The house may be cleaned by me. अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे narrations कर रही होती तो मैं may को might में change कर देती, लेकिन because these are not narrations, these are voices, so may will remain same as it is, but we will add an additional word in the form of be. अच्छा जी, might. I might clean the house. I is subject, might is modal verb, clean is main verb, and the house is object. The house might be cleaned by me. Have to. I have to clean the house. I is main verb subject, have to is the modal verb, clean is main verb, and the house is object. Okay, because we have one house, the subject is singular. That is why I am supposed to use has instead of have. अगर मैं ये कहती कि I have to clean the houses, तो आप लिखते the houses have to be cleaned by me. But here I have only one house, so I will change it like this. The house has to be cleaned by me. Class 10, is it clear till here? Should we move forward? Is it clear till here? Should we move forward, beta? Okay, okay. Okay, now I'm going to move towards my next slide. Okay, now active and passive voice with modal verbs. Few examples are in front of you. See some more examples to clarify this. Okay, number one, Aisha should write homework. This is active voice. Aisha, subject, should modal verb, write main verb, and homework is object. Homework should be written by Aisha. It's a passive voice. Okay? Okay. Next sentence number 2. Andrew must learn English. This is active voice. Andrew is subject. Must is modal verb. Learn is main verb. And English is object. English must be learned by Andrew. This is passive voice. Bob can play cricket. Bob is subject, can is modal verb, play is main verb, and cricket is object. Cricket can be played by Bob, it's passive voice. Number 4, you may tell your problem. You, subject, may, modal verb, tell, main verb, your problem, object. Your problem may be told by you. Number 5, you may ask her her name. You is subject, may is modal verb, ask is main verb, and her name is object. Her name may be asked by you. Number 6, he might not reveal his secrets. He, subject, might, modal verb, might reveal, main verb, and his secrets, object. His secrets might not be revealed by him. अब आप यहाँ पे जरा थोड़ी सी तवज्जो दीजिए कि प्लेसमेंट ऑफ नॉट कहाँ पर आ रही है. Where should we place not in negative sentences? See, where I have put not, where I have placed not. Not is in between of might and be. ये पॉइंट अब आपके लिए समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि नॉट की प्लेसमेंट आपने कहाँ रखनी है. द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ नॉट इज his secrets might not be revealed by him. अगर आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे कि his secrets might be not revealed by him, बेटा, it will be wrong and you are going to get 0. Be very, very particular and be very, very careful about the placement of not in negative sentences where you are supposed to place not in between might and be. His secrets might not be revealed by him. इसी तरीके से एक और हमारे पास नेगेटिव सेंटेंस आ रहा है. नंबर 7, my mother might not permit me to go on hills. अच्छा जी, अब आप देखिए, my mother subject, might modal verb, permit main verb, me अगेन यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, जहाँ पे 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, जहाँ पर इस तरह मी एंड टू गो ऑन हिल्स इज द एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस एंड मी इज ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, माय मदर इज सब्जेक्ट, माइट इज मॉडल वर्ब, permit is main verb, me is object and to go on hills is the extra part of the sentence. अब हमने देखना है कि नॉट की प्लेसमेंट कहाँ पर आ रही है. इन द सेम वे, I might not be permitted by my mother to go on hills. I might not be permitted by my mother to go on hills. Okay. Sentence number 8. The patient cannot drive car. Again, the patient subject can modal verb, drive main verb, and car is object. Car can be driven by the patient. अब मैं आप लोगों से एक चीज पूछ रही हूँ, मुझे चैट बॉक्स में इसका जवाब दीजिए जरा कि if the sentence is the patient cannot drive car, how will you change it into passive voice? The patient cannot drive car. How can you change it into passive voice? Hurry up. The patient cannot drive car. Change it into passive voice. Class 10, are you listening? Yes, very good. Car cannot be driven by the patient. Very good, Nabil, Daniel, Nisha, Shees, Ammar, very good, beta. Car cannot be driven by the patient. अब आपने not placement देखनी है कि not कहाँ पर आ रहा है. It is in between can and be. अगर आप लिखेंगे car can be not driven by the patient, तो that will be wrong. ठीक है? Okay. Now moving forward. Next sentence is, I could not make compromise. I could not make compromise. I is subject, could is modal verb, make is main verb, and compromise is object. Compromise could not be made by me. Okay? Okay. Number 10. You should warn him about stray dogs. अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको stray का मीनिंग बता दूं. Stray means आवारा. Okay? Stray dogs, आवारा कुत्ते जो हमारी गलियों में, रोड्स पे, स्ट्रीट्स में घूम रहे होते हैं, these are known as stray dogs. A domestic animal that is wandering at any place. ठीक है, जो कहीं पर भी इसी तरीके से घूम फिर रहे होते हैं, they are known as stray dogs. ठीक है. You should warn him about stray dogs. You is subject. Should is modal verb. Warn is main verb. Him is object, and about stray dogs is extra part of the sentence. So he should be warned about stray dogs by you. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि if the sentence is you should not warn him about the stray dogs, तो कैसे चेंज होगा ये पैसिव वॉइस में? You should not warn him about stray dogs. How will you change it? You should not warn him about stray dogs. How will you change it into passive voice? Hurry up, beta. Nobody is answering. I'm waiting. Very good. Very good, Huria. She's Daniel, Fausia. Very good. He should not be warned about the stray dogs by you. He should not be warned about the stray dogs by you. He should not be warned about the stray dogs by you. Very good. Okay. Now, the next sentence is, she would not allow me. She would not allow me. She is subject, would, modal verb, allow, main verb, and me is object. I would not be allowed by her. I would not be allowed by her. Okay, number 12. They must protect her husband. They subject, must modal verb, protect main verb, her husband object. Her husband must be protected by them. Okay, just give me the answer of this question. They must not protect her husband. Very good, Nisha. Very good. Her husband must not be protected by her. Very good. Okay, next sentence. Number 13. You ought to obey your parents. It means you should obey your parents. Okay? You is subject, ought to is modal verb, obey main verb, and your parents is object. Okay. Your parents ought to be obeyed by you. Okay? Number 40. The above examples may clear your doubts. The above example subject, may modal verb, clear main verb, your doubts object. Your doubts may be cleared by the above examples. Your doubts may be cleared by above example. अच्छा जी, सेंटेंस नंबर 15. मस्ट यू कॉल हर. अब ये इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है, जरा ये गौर से देखिए कि दिस इज एन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. मस्ट यू कॉल हर. मस्ट अपनी जगह पे रहेगा जैसे इंटेरोगेटिव में हम करते हैं. मस्ट इज modal verb, you subject, call main verb, and her is object. Must she be called by you and question mark. Must she be called by you and question mark. Okay. Is it clear till here, class 10? Hurry up, tell me, is it clear till here? Okay, okay. So now we are moving forward towards the next screen side. Okay, let's see what is next. Okay, so we have an exercise in front of us, in front of. Okay, Aisha, my lecture is being recorded. I will upload this lecture on Google Classroom. You will get guidance from my lecture, from a recorded lecture. If you have subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Whenever I will upload my new lecture, you will get the notification. So my lecture is being recorded. So after my class, I will upload it on Google Classroom, my YouTube link. Then you can get guidance from there. Okay? Okay. So let's move forward. We have an exercise in front of our screens and you have to change it. अभी तक जो हम पीछे एक्सरसाइज करते हुए आ रहे थे उसमें ये था कि आंसर्स भी साथ में मौजूद थे, बट नाउ यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज योरसेल्फ. आपने खुद करना है इसको. ठीक है? अच्छा जी, पहले तो जरा मैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स के नाम लूँ ना, इसमें कौन कौन हमारे साथ मौजूद है. let me take your names. Okay, Mehdi Raza, are you there, beta? Mehdi Raza, are you there? Okay, very good, Mehdi. आपने पहले ही मुझे जवाब दे दिया. Our English teacher may give an exam today. Our English teacher may give an exam today. Our English teacher is subject. May is modal verb. Give is object. An exam today is the, sorry, give is main verb and an exam today is the extra part of the sentence. Very good. Hareem, Fauzia, Mehdi, Huria, very good beta. An exam may be given today by our teacher या फिर an exam may be given by our teacher today. अच्छा, अब मुझे बताइए अगर मैं ये कहूँ our English teacher may not give an exam today. Our English teacher may not give an exam today. Change करें इसको जरा passive voice में. Very good, very good. An exam may not be given by our teacher today. Very good. ठीक है, मैं साथ में नेगेटिव का भी देखना चाह रही हूँ कि आप लोग नॉट की प्लेसमेंट कहाँ कर रहे हैं. अच्छा जी, अरसल आर यू देयर? अरसल आर यू देयर बेटा? My next sentence is, you may forget the rules quickly. You is subject, may is modal verb, forget main verb, the rules object, quickly is the last part, remaining part of the sentence. इसको जरा change करें आप लोग class 10. You may forget the rules quickly. Very good, Fauzia. She is very good, Hareem. The rules may be forgotten by you quickly. The rules may be forgotten by you quickly. अरसल बेटा आपने quickly नहीं लिखा, पूरा सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करना है ना आपको. इस तरह आप अपने मार्क्स लूज कर सकते हो. The rules may be forgotten by you quickly. Okay, sentence number 3. They should cancel the game. They is subject, should is modal verb, cancel is main verb, and the game is object. Okay, Zayan, I have marked your attendance. Very good. The game should be cancelled by them. अच्छा, अब अगर मैं कहूँ they should not cancel the game, how will you change it into passive voice? They should not cancel the game. Very good. The game should not be cancelled by them. Next sentence is, the doctor can't persuade her. Doctor is the subject, can't is modal verb, persuade is main verb, and her is object. Very good. She can't be persuaded by the doctor. Very good, class 10. She can't be persuaded by the doctor. Okay. Sentence number 5. Who should pay the damage? Who should pay the damage? हरीम, बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हैं आप. शहीर, आप भी गलती कर रहे हो क्लास 10 बेटा. मैंने आप लोगों को एक बात बताई दी है कि नरेशंस में इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस असर्टिव बन जाता है, बट पैसिव वॉइस में इंटेरोगेटिव ही रहता है. तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, जरा थोड़ी सी कॉमन सेंस को यूज करें अपनी. Hurry up, anybody who can give me the right answer. No, no, not at all, Hareem. Anybody? Beta, the right answer is, by whom should the damage be paid? By whom should the damage be paid? B-A-I-D, paid. By whom के फौरन बाद अपने मॉडल वर्ब लगाना है ताकि वो इंटेरोगेटिव अपनी जगह पे रहे, वरना तो नहीं रहेगा, वो इंटेरोगेटिव से असर्टिव में चला जाएगा. This is the thing that I want to explain you, जो आप नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं अभी तक. By whom should the damage be paid? Is it clear? Class 10, should we move forward? By whom should the damage be paid? P-A-I-D, paid. Okay. The students must complete the test in 1 hour. The students must complete the test in 1 hour. Very good, Shahid. Fazia, very good, girls. The test must be completed by the student in 1 hour. The test must be completed in 1 hour by the students. भी ठीक है. ठीक है? Is it clear? Okay, move forward. Number 7. The leader could not convince his party men. The leader could not convince his party men. Very good. His party men could not be convinced by the leader. His party men could not be convinced by the leader. Very good. Okay. Number 8. We should discuss the matter again. We is subject, should is modal verb, discuss is main verb, the matter again is the extra part of the sentence. How will you change it into passive voice, beta? The matter should be discussed again by us. Very good. अच्छा, अब अगर मैं इस सेंटेंस को इस तरीके से लिखूं कि we should not discuss the matter again. We should not discuss the matter again. Very good. The matter should not be discussed again by us. Very good, Unzila. The matter should not be discussed again by us. Very good. ठीक है. अच्छा. Number 9. Mary can't solve this exercise. Mary can't solve this exercise. Mary is subject, can't is modal verb, solve main verb, and this exercise is object. This exercise can't be या cannot be solved by Mary. This exercise cannot be solved by Mary. Very good. Okay. Last sentence. They should feed the dog once a day. They should feed the dog once a day. Very good, Harim. The dog should be fed once a day by them. The dog should be fed once a day by them. Yeah, the dog should be fed by them once a day. अच्छा, अब अगर मैं इस सेंटेंस को ऐसे कर दूं कि they should not feed the dog once a day. They should not feed the dog once a day. How will you change it? Very good. The dog should not be the dog should not be fed once a day by them. या फिर the dog should not be fed by them once a day. Okay. Now we are done with today's lecture. Is there any confusion, class 10? कोई question, कोई confusion that you want to ask me? Okay, after my class, after my lecture, inshallah, I will upload your assignment on Google Classroom. Please, जो बच्चे कल आ रहे हैं, I have checked their copies in class today. They have to do their exercise in today's assignment in their language journal and come to school with your language journals, including today's assignment as well. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear, class 10, beta? Okay, now take very good care of yourself. Stay safe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.